Okay, we have a Leviton lever edge three-way light switch, and I'll show you how to wire it as a tutorial here. You need a pair of wire strippers, and you will see the wire gauges on the strippers. Here in the country I was born in, we go by American wire gauge. The smallest is 20 gauge. Then we'll go down to 18, 16, 14, 12, and 10. We use number 10 on 30 amps, number 12 on 20 amps, number 14 on 15 amps, and 16 will be like what goes on your light fixtures to hook into the wiring. Okay, so to install the light switch, we have our ground wire. We have our red. So we'll find which hole our 414 is. It's the third one up, so we'll go to our third hole up here. And we'll strip with our 14 gauge hole. Red, which is a traveler. Black is a traveler. And white is usually the common. So we have our wires stripped here. So on the back you'll see where it says strip gauge here. And there is the length they want the wire to be stripped. Okay, so now we'll take our wires and we'll put them up against our strip gauge here. So we got to take a little bit off of this black one here. So we'll take a little off here. Not too much. We'll get up to our strip gauge here. Okay, a little more can come off. There's our strip gauge. That's what we want. So we'll cut our other wires to the same length here. Okay, so if you look at the side here, we have our green, which is the ground. We'll open that up. We have a red, and a black. Our two reds are the travelers, so we'll open these levers up. So first we will put our ground wire into our green one, push it in, make sure it locks, snap it down, it locks into place. And most generally, your red and black are going to be your travelers, so it doesn't matter which hole you're going into. So we'll pop up our red lever here, put our red or black in the hole, pop it down. We'll flip it over this way. We'll put our other traveler wire, which is red, in the hole here. And there is a hole for testing right there. There's a hole for testing where you can use your multimeter and check for voltage to the ground. Put the wire in the hole, push it down. Then the common wire, which is white, we will put it in this hole, push it in. See how the insulation gets up into the hole there on these, on all of our wires there, the red and the white. And then you just push your wires into the box like this. And simply you would just screw it into the wall like that. So there is all the instructions.